Hey guys, it's Gina. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are. And in today's video, we are doing a natural Valentine's Day look. Well, this is still a going out look. Natural for me, maybe not for you, but I talk about that in the video. Please hit that subscribe button and join the fam. If you are new here, I would love to have you. My goal is to reach 2,000 subscribers by either my birthday, which is the end of April, or by the end of the year, whichever one happens first, I'll be happy with. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I love sitting down and making YouTube videos for you guys. I just love and I enjoy it, so you guys coming along for the journey would mean so much to me. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up so I know that you like it as well. In the comments, you can tell me what kind of videos you want to see. If my look I end up doing is the look that you think is a natural makeup look compared to what I did on Sunday's video. All my social medias are down in the description bar below for you guys to follow my Instagram, to see all the Instagram polls I post for YouTube video ideas, and hit that bell button so you know every time that I upload a video, and you can chat with me when my video premieres. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's just get right on into it. So we are going to start off by priming my eyes with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. Like always, this part of my makeup routine has not changed. It won't change. Just saying. So you guys had to pick between my Colourpop Bare Necessities palette and my Aspyn Ovard, I think that's how you say her name, with Tarte. Now that came out, now that's not a recent palette, so I'm actually kind of happy that this palette won, because you guys can actually go physically buy this palette right now, where the other one you couldn't. Like, it's no longer available, I don't think. So very happy that you guys picked this one. So this is supposed to be more of a natural glam look. So I'm thinking we're gonna do this row right here because it's more purple. So it's more of like an actual like natural Valentine's Day look. So I'm gonna do purples, or we might do the row above. We might do this row. I'm so indecisive. I'm gonna turn that off. I don't like how that was giving me extra lighting. Okay, so I'm trying to debate on which one to do. The purples are really talking to me. I mean, that's natural enough for Valentine's Day. I think it'd be cute. So we are gonna go in with this row. This is the row we're gonna do. You guys wanted a natural one, I'm gonna give you a natural one. So we're gonna go in with the shade Tease Me right here. That's gonna be part of our transition shade. So like I said, we're going in with the shade Tease Me. I really do like this palette. I'm really glad you guys picked this one. I'm not gonna really show what I do for my face. I might show a couple things that I might change for the natural glam, or like just a natural look in general, because nothing of my face really changes. The next shade we're gonna go in is the shade right here. It is Hustler. So we're gonna go in with same brush. Now this look's not gonna get anything crazy. I'm just trying to see what's good lighting. We're going with Hustler on top of that. Okay, so I'm still just going in with that shade Hustler. I'm literally just taking whatever's still on my brush, and it's kind of just blending it out as well. But I do need to add a little bit more to this side. So this is the natural look that I'm going for. Yes, I know it's orangey, but this is a natural eyeshadow palette, so this is what I'm going with. Like, it's hard because like my natural is different from your natural is different from my natural. Everybody's natural is completely different because everyone has a different perspective on what's natural. For me, natural is anything that's not like a super bright pop of color, and you're probably like, you're literally putting like an orangish color on your eyelid, and that is true. So what I am going to go in with though is I'm going to go in with the shade Banter though right here to darken it up a little bit. And I'm going to be taking a completely different brush than my other ones because I don't want to take the same one. Now, I really love playing with eyeshadow, like I said before, so doing this. Okay, see how this is darkening it up a little bit? This is what you guys wanted. I know. You just gotta trust the process, people. Trust the process and I will get you there. I'll get you there somehow. Don't know how exactly, but I'll get you there. Really am liking this. I had no like recollection of wanting to go with this banter shade. I literally was just gonna do that one whole row and I was like, this banter shade's actually pretty because I kind of wanted to mute it a little bit. Like it was getting a little bit too bright. All right, we just did that bomb look on Sunday that if you have not seen yet, I'll have it linked up here, but you guys should go check it out because that was, I think, one of the best looks I've ever done doing a like big wow palette. Honestly, like I'm proud of myself. Please go check it out if you have not yet already. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys have any plans for your Valentine's Day. I don't know what Jonathan and I are doing. I think we're going to an ice festival that my city has, and I'm super excited for that. I really am. We're going to be taking this and blending it out. See how nice and seamless this is now? Thought it was going to just be with a crazy orange. But like I was saying, is that everyone has a different and natural like look. Like some people's natural look is no eyeshadow at all. And I sometimes rock that as well, but not today. I didn't want to rock that today. So now that we have this done, I'm liking how this goes. I'm going to go on. I'm gonna go with the shade Crack On, I believe, yeah, Crack On, which is this dark shade, and we're gonna put that in our outer corner, taking the same brush we used in our other video. Now this is a little bit of a warm brown, so I'm kind of excited to see how it comes off on the eye. Like with the look that we decided to do with it. You kind of want to bring it into the crease, like so. And since this is a natural look, I'll actually show you a little bit more of my steps on what I do with a natural eye look and just a look in general. Like I change a highlighter I use the same mascara. I'll probably do a winged eyeliner as well because why not? But I turned on the light of my little beauty mirror so I can see how dark this is getting. And yes, we still have to blend it. Yes, we do. But you know, blend it. Anyone also have contacts to where like you doing that hurts your freaking eye? Like, cause same. I like can't see right now, so. All right, so we're just blending this, and I'll show you what we do. As this is blended, we're gonna go back in with the shade Banter. I do this with my colorful looks as well, but those take a little bit longer, so I normally like skip this process in the video. And we're going back into right here, just right there. Going back in with the shade Hustler as well, and we're going to add that on top. And I'll blend it so it's seamlessly, but we're adding it back up here. This is what it's looking like so far. Yes, it's crazy. We know. So now that since this is a natural look, I am not going to go in with that white Jeffree Star Cosmetics Magic Star Concealer because the white will make it really pop and it's supposed to be more natural, so we don't want that. But I am going to go in with a Super Shock shadow though. So that's from the Call Me On My Shell Phone collection. So the shade we're going to go in with is a little quirky. This is what she looks like. She is not as, like, it's coming off weirder on camera. This is what it looks like. Let me have it focus. What it looks like, and we're literally just applying that to our lids, and it's going to give us a shiny look, but it's going to just tie it all in. And that's literally all we're doing. And I might add a little bit of Peekaboo, which is the gold, because I feel like it needs something because the oranges are like kind of just meshing together. We're going to add that on top because I am one for mixing. I really do love it. Okay. I like how that looks. That looks a lot better now. So we're gonna go just back in with our brush that had the dark brown and blend. And we also lost some of the brown when we blended it out, so. Okay, so what I do is I don't really show this either because I feel like it's an unnecessary step to show, but I am going to show it. I take this makeup wipe and I just go like this, like so it goes into like a little bit of a swoop, and then we clean up the under eye. So that's what it looks like. That's how I get the nice sharp like edge that I want like this. I just go on the edge. So one thing I do change when I go to do my full face is, I already did my cream contour but I didn't do it crazy, is I literally just set my face with my Hourglass Veil translucent setting powder all over the face. And then we'll bronze over top. That's one thing I do change. I don't know why I change it. I think it's because I just want it to look more natural, so I don't do anything crazy. And of course we have to set our under eyes. Alright, so now that I showed you that, I am going to apply my bronzer on top of that. Now the bronzer we use is the same as the last video, so it is the Hoola Light. But we just don't go in as heavy-handed. We do add a different blush as well. Now in my full-on glam one, what I do is I go in with my No Filter Pressed Powder by Colourpop. Now I do want to darken this up just a little bit just because it is so natural. So we're going in with the Colourpop Kathleen Light. This is Kathleen Light's and Colourpop. This is Lunar Has It. This is her pressed powder blush, but I like to use it as a bronzer. And you're probably like, why are you putting on a darker bronzer when you didn't in your full-on glam one? And it's because since this one I didn't set it the way I did, I used a different technique to set it. I like to use a different product. And then we're literally just taking it and we're pressing it on our nose in the middle. Like, I basically kind of set my face all over with this because I am so freaking pale that I can't stand it, okay? Just gonna be honest. And then I'm going in with this big brush to blend today. The blush we're going in with is from Tarte. This is in Bikini Bottoms. I really do like this. Yes, it's a darker blush than I did yesterday, but I'm feeling it to go with this look for some reason because I think it's the browns. Okay, so we did my brows, but how I'm going to set them is different. I am going to go in with my clear brow gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Now, if you watched my favorites video, you would know that this is the brow gel I use when I want them to look more natural, which is what I want because we're doing a natural look. So I just want them to be set with what I already did. I don't want to add any more color to them. Now we're going to do our lower lash line. So we're going to add some color to it. So we're going to go in only with the shade Banter on the underneath. And we're going to go in there with the shade Complicated on here as well. I didn't use it on my eye, but I think it's going to go very well underneath. And then we're obviously going to add a crack on to the outer corner. For highlighter, we are going in with my Ofra Star Island highlighter. That is it for today's look. This is my natural, kind of natural, my version of natural Valentine's Day look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Click the notification bell to know every time I upload a video. And subscribe and join the fam because we would love to have you. And I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys.